it's fucked, isn't it? This way. Because there isn't one there. Boom. Getting down the boys. The boys, the gays. Have I made it in time for market open? I have. I would have been faster, but just playing a little bit of Bon Jovi at the back door. You know how we do. Right, level on open. It's got to be this 78, hasn't it? Has it? On the one. Be something like that, but obviously I'd wait for it to open first. A bit of a wild day, really. How long we got? Couple men. Couple men. Yeah, but a crazy day. Very bullish. Surely we're due a retrace. Like, I know it's dropped from what 4790 area, but it's not in the grand scheme of the day. It's fuck all that, is it? Yeah, right. We got minute 30 seconds. What we saying? Gap, no gap, big gap, little gap. Docs. Chat. Having a bevy ready to trade gold. Wednesday night bevy. Did the live stream go well, did it, or the call, or whatever? What, Shark Edge going down, man? Should we do it the other way as well? Just to double test the strat. Thought I'd do this one stood up today and sat down a lot. No gap. Oh, he's ready to trade. Harachi's back. Osama bin Harachi. Oh, me snus. Is it dirty to take a snus out to have a bong and then put it back in? New office. No, I'm just stood in the kitchen, man. I got bored of sitting in the little room. Didn't want to sit on a sofa. When I sit on a sofa, I don't say anything useful, and it feels like I'm pretty low energy. So I'm just stood up. I'd show you around, but it's a fucking mess. And if anyone ever saw this video that would come here, I would be horrified. I've been alone for too long, you see. So I just don't tidy anything up. Right, open. Elliot says no gap. Yeah, the 2 p.m. live was in the Discord. I was working on Discord open, messaging a few people, and I seen that Max and Marcus were in there, so I hopped in. And then like Kai came in, Cal come in, Martin for a little bit. Oh, Pepsi, mate, just come. Oh God, that was torture. Pepsi, mate, just come out of my nose. Why isn't it open? It is open. Why isn't it open? Fuck's that about? What did Silver do? Smash down. Have they? Oh, something wild is about to happen, I reckon. What's it? Oh, it's not that bad, is it? Spreads are bad, though. If that spreads, Jesus. Is that line? Why is gold not open? I swear it only opens at 1 minute past usually, max. Fuck's that about? Just fusion. Should I check the fucking? No. Oh, I can't even. That's my phone to Google it. What the fuck's going on? Can't swear. Why is it not open? So check for the brokers. So at 52 and 63 on Vantage. Or VT Market, sorry. There we go, yeah. It's open now. Weird that. Yeah, there'll be something going on with one of the liquidity providers then. And it's obviously similar for a lot of these firms with gold. So there's obviously a big cash injection coming. I think this is going to rocket. Or is it a big sell off? So no, whatever it's going to do, it's going to be big. That's weird. I've never seen that before. Yeah, madness. What did Bitcoin do today? Up. Oh, I thought it was going to go down. I'll stop sharing that then. Alright. These 1 minute trades going to happen. Is it frozen again? Yeah. It's just where it was. Well, it's uneventful. I'll be honest. Maybe I'm chatting shit. It's not going to fly. Another 70 fib smashing there. Crazy that this is the 1 minute. $50 move. It's like an hourly chart from like a year ago. Right, well, fuck that. Let's look at the bigger picture then. It's not going to give me anything exciting on the 1 minute. Gee, you can sit and watch the 1 minute. Why am I upset? Because I just thought it was going to be a bit more exciting. Oh, you're very upset. Why are you very upset? What's up, sir? What are you crashing out for, fella? Come on, man. We're waiting. What are you upset for? Let me be your agony aunt. I'll sort all your issues. There's nothing I don't know. World's wisest man, I heard. I do think it might be time to start being boring this week. You stupid buy. So? It's not gone down, has it? Where'd you get in from? It's not gone down that far. Yeah, it might still go up. I mean, we have on the 5 minute had a very, very clear break of structure and continuation down. This structure here has come back up, gone down. Could see price tap up into this. But that's some silly 5 minute analysis. But yeah, today was so bullish. Pretty annoying, to be honest. I got caught Where did I get caught? That was last week. Yeah, here yesterday, buying, get stopped out. Price rockets off. I throw out my phone. Yeah, we all get emotional, man. Crash out capital is the place to be. You just, it's really hard to stop. What platform do you use? It's definitely MetaTrader, isn't it? God, what an uneventful open today. The one I'm actually up and ready for. Yesterday was quite good, and I was fucking monging out. God, we're not going to come down here for ages, so nobody needs that, do they? Right, first actual trade level for me is probably going to be from here. Well, at least the fib starting from there. $38's worked. Doesn't really pin from anywhere better. Maybe there. Yeah, maybe there. And then the 88 lines up with that 1 hour rich level. The Ginger Beast. I know it was all right last couple of days. It's been pretty good, and it actually was like that at the 2 p.m. live that you missed in the group. But sometimes boring is good, man. We might have got excited, but yeah, I can see us coming down. Break a structure, retested it, and pushing back down. Especially if we break this low now. I think that confirms a pullback possibly to down here. Like obviously, this is all just estimating. But yeah, we could hopefully catch some shorts after we break this and get onto the lower time frame. Do you think which one of these do we like more out of the 88 or the 78? There's quite a lot going on at this 78, but I don't like that it just smashed through here. Well, I'm sure we'll all be in it tomorrow. I think, yeah. I reckon it ended up annoying Max, to be honest, because Marcus joined and then he was talking through his strategy. His strategy's quite mad on the 5 minute. It's a lot simpler than I thought it was going to be. I'll show you now. This is actually a prime example. But he waits for like a good time in the day. You're buying again, 56. Come on, man. I love it. I love the crash out. Come and start like blowing on the bottom of the screen, get the candle to go higher. If you put the magnet on your chart, that normally helps. So I do that. That's not that one, is it? An icon. Where's the magnet? That'll take a while, that, innit? Pedro, where's the magnet at? I think it might go up. I don't think buys are terrible. Where's the magnet? You always put the magnet on, G. How'd you get that? God, it's fucking difficult. If I could just search. No, it just full doesn't exist. Nah. I passed it. You saw that, did you? Yeah. Where? Right, tell me when I'm getting near, man. It's obviously not on the people one, is it? Animals and nature doesn't feel like that either. Food and drink can't be that. Activity. Nah. Travel and places. You're not gonna travel on a magnet. Objects. Boom. Where did it go? Was it waiting for me to? There we go. Where's your take profit, lads? I'll say I'll make it get hit. There. I found it, man. We're all good. There we go. Magnet to this level. Let's get in the buys. Where was he in? 56. 56.2. Boom. Your buys are my stream. Targeting the highs, are we? Stop loss below the lows. Go on the magnet. 62. Oh, my TP's too big, is it? Alright, 62. Even better. Let's get on this little low time frame then. Oh, we got it, lad. The magnet. Pristine work. You'll be sound. Come on, the magnet. What else can you put there? Any flags? Which flag would you recommend, G? Is it on there? There we go. No, it'll work. We're appeasing the market makers. See, it worked when I put that on. Now it's gone back. I am the algorithm. Fuck them. The magnet is working. TP. No, I'm not in that trade. Just Harachi, man. We were tracking his trade, but I was I was see, I pleased him. You can't say that ritual doesn't work now. So there you go, guys. Welcome to the Voodoo channel. Like that. Right, what level are we magneting now? Keep that over here for later. I still see it, but it's not working. What percent did you make? What are the returns? You stopped now, you're done. Did you take profit or did you get greedy? No problem. Come back tomorrow for more. Gee, how many people are watching, man? I can't be. I haven't got 3 screens anymore. I haven't got a spare one to check. I bet it's 3, isn't it? 3 loyals. Oh, that one. Then to the moon. I wouldn't be dying to jump in sales, to be honest. Do you think down to 460? Where's that? Ah, I know where that is already. Yeah, the 88 last level. Also an inverted fair value gap. Bit of an additional knowledge for you there. Yeah. Feck. A stop loss. God, you could go tight on that, you know. I just don't think it's going to come back down there. I think we're going to push up a little bit first before we come down. But I don't think there's... It's not a great time to be trading now. Like, we've had the initial small move from open. I'm interested to see what happens at this level. Get a bit bigger. Yeah, I'm interested to see what happens when we get up here. If we break above that, yeah, I'd imagine we're going to push back up to possibly this. But there's your winner. 52 TP magnet, sure, man. That's the actual magnet, you fat idiot. I think we're going to go up, though. I don't know if the magnet's going to do it for you this time. I've put a big magnet because I do think we're going to go up. You're in runner bars from where? Why is it not showing me? Oh, it's fucking ridiculous. Get on there. From 4745. That's nice, that. Yeah, so we want it to go up then. Yeah, like, sells are a mad one because the market's been going up and everybody's still kind of like Trump saying we got peace and shit and everything's saying it's calming down. Like, it's not calming down. But I thought the market might have believed it. I thought that's why they were saying all this shit, just to get the market up a little bit, make him look good. He's got their midterms coming up not that long away, I don't think. Yeah, obviously, like, I don't mean a few weeks. I mean, obviously, like, months or a year or so. I don't know. But this war is making him look bad. Come on, the magnet. Do we need the flagnet, though? 6.5. Yeah, we had a similar area. I had 6.6. It's like I can read your mind. What's that about? Don't be adding cells. Close that one you've added. If you can get... Oh, no. Don't be scaling in, man. Just take your first entry and hold it. The more you add, the less likely you are to let the trade play out. I can tell you that from fucking experience, man. It's tough out here. Isn't he? I like it though. This is what I'm like when I'm trading though, Elliot, to be fair. Like, I'll tell you a lot of things and I'll guide you in a way and be like, oh, don't be doing that, it's stupid, fucking follow your rules, don't do this, don't do that. I do it all more than all of you, times 10. I'm the worst crackhead for entering too many trades. I'll have perfect analysis, and the top level that I'm waiting for will play out to a T. And that's what I'll tell all you guys. I'll take 50 trades before it gets there. So yeah, that's my goal at the minute. I can do everything else, but fuck me. When I crash out, boy, do I crash out. You gone break even? Feel like you should. Oh, no, wrong way. Needs the flag. It does need the flag, doesn't it? Quick, quick, get the flag on there. It did not like the flag. Come on, the flag. Liquidity sweep. Touch into this level. Oh, it's gone a bit lower, isn't it? Should have been here. Oh well. I'll leave it where I had it. I'm no cheat. That's still a bit lower, isn't it? Yeah, honestly, it's so hard to not do. It takes obviously longer than it's taken me, but I'll be good for ages. Unlucky man. It didn't work this time. Sorry, I was too late on the flag. But I did tell you I don't think it's gonna go down. I hate trading too, man. Could do that level. It's a very small fib for this current market climate, but it looks like it also could be pinging off this one. Yeah, exactly off that wick as well. But these are too small to be fucking around with. This is trading like that and taking every single one of these fibs is how you end up with. What's that sticker about? Who are you hiding from, Makina? Hey, somebody get Michael back. Gee, where's Michael? Get him on. Yeah. I'll take a risky on that 78. And that's just because I'm on stream. And it's a jokey one. But I would really, if we're going to be sensible now, I want to see price break this low or this high before I enter too much. Yeah, I feel like we could range till NFP now, which could possibly be a good thing. It means 88 fibs are going to be way better. That was long enough now, so there should be a few more down. But yeah, market could be pretty stagnant. So if we do start to range, it's not a bad thing. It just means favour the 88 over the 78. And as this was a big break of structure down here, could possibly be the start of a downtrend. And price would need to close above this to invalidate the break of structure. I would take a risky sell from the 78. Stops above 88 because it's only 50. Target the lows. 1 to 7. Woo. Something like that on a 15-minute perspective. It's bang on these two body closes that line up. Obviously, they do. Yeah. So maybe that first sell's a bit aggressive. Ah well, let's watch it play out anyway. That's getting ugly for me now. Yeah, so that was the 78 one. Too messy. It's gone right. It's gone right from the 5 min rich level and the 88. That's why we have stops behind it. But yeah, I think this is coming stop loss. Confidence is not breaming in this trade. Came in quite aggressive. Let's see. Nah. It's coming for us, brev. Come on the stream, gamble, get dropping. Why does it only do those 2 ways? Come on, brev. If we'd have taken the 88, this would be flying now. Could have gone 88-20 stop as well. It's literally sat there talking about favouring the 88, and then took the 78. The gay one. Why is it not going down? Because I don't know. You tell me. I mean, that's one red candle. Can we get another one? No. Come on, kid. Yes, I don't hate the price action. That wicking off the close. I like. I do think really after breaking above here, price would want to come down. Possibly even take this level. Oh, I'm on the 1 minute. Never mind. It's not fucking structure on the 1 minute, is it? Get antsy in this trade. What do you mean, the gay one, by the way? Gee, I don't get what you're saying. Trader back test. Trader back shots. Hey, Max messaged me before saying, who's that light bulb trading? Like you just infiltrated the group or something because I got you a red name because you got leveled up. Yeah, he's like, who's that? But at least now you can admit that I don't. What you that first message you sent in. I'm not gonna repeat that now. Oh come on! You look like you were coming down then. You stinker. Oh. Yeah, suck every single one of your brethrens. And your dead ones. And your living ones. Just come down. Retest this area. Or even lower. Maybe this one. But for all I care, just needed to come down. Oh, what's that? I'm not being nice to you now and you're going to go up. See how it is? Think you're better than me? Hit my stop loss. I don't even care. we get the 88 again, I might sell. Yes, come on, bit of volume, push it in now. Push it down. Keep going. Come on, son. Get up there, boy. Do you like dogs? I was just watching. Don't know what the name of it's just gone out of my head, but whatever film he says that in. Stop loss coming. Where's your faith in me, Elliot? Come on now. You've seen me do these things. Just got to whoosh out a little bit. Calm down. Oh, look at me getting confident and then it just going right back up. Fucking. That's what I want to do to that chat. But I've already broke one screen. We can't be doing it twice. Yeah, it is stop loss incoming. Yeah, that's your fault, Elliot. You made that happen. No, I have the faith. I'm still confident. Am I? No. But I've called it now. We entered. I was 1, 2, 3. Nice. Oh, he turned around for 1 minute. My stream is delayed. Yeah, fucking well delayed. Oh, spreads aren't real. Ah, now we're flying. Yeah, Telegram, fucking Telegram. Trading View isn't that delayed, but yeah, the stream is fucking well delayed. Ah, right, no revenge trading. It's not happening. I want to show off my tool, everyone. I want to get my big tool out. I know I kind of did yesterday, but 1 second while I readjust. Oh, that didn't work. I was trying to open C Trader to show the bot off, but it's being slow. Crazy little spike, though. Irritating. We're going to fucking drop now as well. It's coming. Right, so that's 1L for me. Unfortunate. If I took the 88, I probably would have gone break even too, which is even more irritating. Ah, you impatient bastard. What are you doing? Fucking rookie error. Rookie error. Spooked. Don't know why I'm gutted about that. Whoa, what? Where's my algos gone? Yeah, 5 minutes. We'll do it on. Yeah, tool is full ready to go. This is the exact reason why anyone and everyone should be joining. Oh, sheet. everything works. I'm pretty sure. I can't remember all the fucking rules. Do not rate bevy trading. Why? Did you get it verified? Yeah, is that all done now? Are you certain? I'm glad you feel better. I'm glad that I can take losses and make you feel better. If that's the only reason you come, cool. But this isn't my, like, I haven't sent any of this shit into the group. If you actually want to get some good trades, that's where you want to be, man. I might even run a 50% off code for people who are in the group who watch the streams. So I've just had the response to when that person was asking about who light bulb trading is. Everyone get on YouTube, light bulb trading. He's your guy. Plug in that again. But he said you've got to be bent with a name like that. I think that's a bit harsh. I think it's quite a good one. Elliot, I hope it drops for you now. But yeah, I want to show off my tool. It all fully works now. These lines here, yeah, they're the invalidation levels. So say you're doing a fib, right? Say you're drawing a fib from, especially during Asia session. So say you drew this fib because that one's too close. Oh, fuck off. I used to love C Trader, and now I want it to die. It's not even that good on the phone anymore. Yeah, say you drew this fib, right, and then you were looking to place an order. I don't know where they've gone. Right, so you got these two lines, obviously red one, and I think that's yellow. Don't know why it's yellow. And if you line it up with the top and bottom of your fib, there you go. So any orders now you place in between these levels, if it gets broken out of the range, so you got classic and inverted. I think classic is if it breaks above this line, it'll cancel your buys, and if it breaks below, it'll cancel your sells. And then inverted is the other way around. Oh shit, I'm in the way here. Let me move over here. What? Switch up Aikido. Yeah, so that's that. Obviously, I leave the TP blank normally. Trade risk, I've set it pretty higher for this, but yeah, say it's 1,000. Stop loss for gold. It actually, because it's fusion. Oh, outside session. Have I blocked them all? So yes means block, right? I've only just learnt that. Interesting. But yeah, 1,000. So you wanted 25 pip stop loss or fucking 120. It's 220. Automatically does your lot size. TP is always a 1 to 2 if you put nothing in, but if you put the number of pips, so fucking 250, then yeah, obviously it would do that. And then if you've got, where's the limit order gone? What the fuck? That's crazy. The fucking buy limit levels have disappeared. So maybe it isn't finished. That's crazy. So yeah, there was buy limit and sell limit as well. So you'd take the pricing on that, but obviously need to put them back in. Madness. But it'll still work the same. Let's get in a sell quickly. 1,000 risk. This is a demo account for testing, obviously. Perfect example. I can show you how that works. What's the date? The first still. Cool. So the password today was reckless10. So you get this, and you can request an unlock, which will then send a message into Discord. I think I heard the beep in my ear. And it'll say, like, I'm a crackhead, a gambling crackhead or something like that. Password would be reckless10 for today. They're all different. I might even make them a bit meaner. I told the AI to make them really mean, but the AI isn't going to be like, I'm a fat mong 12 and my mum eats bin bags and shit like that. And like just having to type shit like that in, it's just gonna make you not want to do it again. But yeah, that should unlock it. Yeah, cool. If you hit your obvious now, yeah, this is better. So I've got this position open. I think it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So usually when I first did it, if you pressed any of these partial close buttons, it would close it on every trade, and it was irritating. Or if you went break even now, it would go break even on every trade. But like we don't always have one trade open. So it now would have 5 different options, and you can click and select it, and it tells you about the trade, the sell, the entry price, and the lot size. So you can't really get fucking confused. So always countdown to the next sessions. That's all working now. And the news status is ace, so it can always be on. So you just look at the calendar, UTC time, and then you type in here, say 14:00, 15:30, shit like that. You type in the news times, and then it will say news. It will say clear. Obviously, when it's clear, it'll say blocked when you can't do it, and then you can set the amount of time for news. I have it 10 minutes, can have it 5, 15, whatever it works. Like you can use it with the prop firm, so whatever their parameters are, you can set with everything. Especially like the daily loss, the max trades, break even after profit. I tend to not do. I was doing a lot of testing with automatic break even, and I just kept getting stopped out all the time. So yeah, we're not doing that. The password changes every day. I might even try and get it to change every session, or that if you, I don't know, I got to figure that out. Oh shit! Yeah, haven't you just realised that? Obviously, if I give you the password one time, you're going to put it in again. Oh, but it is going to tell the group, and everyone's going to know that you can't hack it, you can't trade. I don't know about you. I wouldn't want any of the other lot knowing that I mean, yeah, I'm losing and shit. But yeah, trades today, obviously, it counts that now. It's counted one of my losses. Once you hit 3 losses now, it's a 15-minute stop and jail for everyone. You can't even unlock it. Why? Fuck off. I know I keep like it's doing it every time because I did it again. Oh, the breather, right? Yeah, you have a 15-minute breather, or at least I do, because I obviously know all the passwords. So when I put it in and then fuck my account up, it makes me wait 15 minutes. So this little 2% here, I've got to wait 15 minutes before I can put a code in. And I think that only happens for the second time. Once you've done it the first, you can put it in the first time with no breather, and then the second time it's 15 minutes. Let me just fucking. You guys won't be able to do it that easily. That's just because it's in the testing and building mode. But yeah, that's about it really. And then obviously because I disconnected it and loaded it again, it's reset it all. But there it is. We're all good. Right, let's get back to gold. See what's going down. 78 works. Did you take profit, Elliot, or not? Oh, 81 down to 71. You probably didn't take profit, did you? Well, if it starts reacting now for 70 and pushing further down, the magnet nearly works. Still want it to come to this level. Where was that example about max trades anyway? It was today. It's Wednesday today, isn't it? It's today around here. 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock UTC plus 1. That is us right now, isn't it? Yes, it was this bit of price action. So there you go, Elliot. I can explain to you what you missed on the live now. It's what he was talking about. I won't explain it as well as him, but basically, what he had, what you're sort of looking for. He was on the 5 min. He wanted pushed up, and then we got in about 2. Yeah, right, easy. So we had this high marks, right? And he just does this on the 5 minute just before market open in the US for there's a nice volume injection into the market. You had this high. Price is fucking about raging, and it's clearly broken up and closed well above this. Once price has done that, so it's ranged, broken out, and closed above the high. Once price has done that, you fucking try and find a market structure level with it in the on the 5 min still, and with all these wicks and body closes here, this was one of the obvious ones. And then we also had, I think, yeah, we had this line. I'll do them as lines because he did them as lines. This line for possible entry, and then this line here, as you can see, wick, body close, body close. Price came up and closed above. Price came back down, touched into the level. And I don't think they targeted the highs. But get a long on there. Stops below. Target the highs. And he somehow got a 1 to 3.5, so he must have gone stops below there. Simple as that, really. And then, yeah, you just wait. Market opens. Volume gets injected and price fucks right off. Came back a few times. That's why you don't go break even until price closes above here. This close, probably. Yeah, that's sort of all we did, and we just sat and then watched it play out, and then he did a little bit on. Yeah, it's so fucking simple. And he said he back tested it over like 3 or 4 years. Yeah, this is the trade on. Yeah, right. So we'll start again. So obviously, I'll draw a square because I haven't got fucking. We'll cover this. How do I make it black? Where's it gone? Why when it comes to the front? What's that about? There we go. Doesn't like that, does it? So I want to move it across, really. Yeah, so market was like this when he did the analysis. I'd use replay, but again, I still didn't get a premium because I'm a jip. He marked this high on because price is ranging, marks the high, and basically, if price closes above this high, it confirms that buyers and sellers at that price have flipped, and buyers are now in control of the market. So we were waiting. Oh, that box is the most irritating thing ever. Waiting for price to come back up and close above this level here. So now, as you can see, after these 2 candles, price is closed above on the 5 min. So once you've done that, and price, once you've done that, you want to go to within like the back below the level and within the consolidation range that was being printed on the 5 min. And you want to find some nice little market structure levels. I'll do it with lines again. So you'd go maybe here. So he plots a few levels, doesn't he, normally? He plots like 3 or 4 levels, actually. Maybe these wicks and body closes too. So we plot like these 3 levels, look at it and be like, depending how price moves after open, if it starts to move quite a lot, if it drops quite aggressively, he'll pick whichever one of the levels, or like he'll enter on one and stop loss will be in another. So waited for price to come down. We felt this one was too close. It was quite a push down, come with some strength. So that one, I don't even think he marked that level on. I think I've just made that one up there. I called this one. I was like, it's definitely going to be the middle one around 28. It was in the stream. He was waiting for this one, but I changed everybody's minds. Had the buy waiting. Target the highs. Stop loss was just on this, I believe. His entry may have been a bit better. It might have been like all these wicks. Just depends how you plot the level, really. But it's the same sort of thing. And then I think Marcus, he got literally the bottom of this here. But yeah, targeting the highs. As simple as that. Price runs away. And TP. And if we'd have held that, oof, you're talking 4, 5, 6R to the high. Yeah, 5.9R. And that's literally how he trades every single day. But that it's very similar. Like it's the consolidation, indication, correction, continuation. It's the same ICC stuff from that trades by side thing. And it works on every time frame in terms of helping you guess what price is going to do next. Even on the 4 hour here. Fuck all these drawings off because I'm showing you this. On the 4 hour. Market structure. There we go. This was the level we wanted to close above to confirm that we were back in an uptrend. So price had gone coming down, 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 down. This was a higher low. No, lower high. And then it made a higher low and a higher high. So it's like, oh, is this a market shift? Is this a market shift? So realistically, if price closes above here again, that fully confirms that we're in a new structure, a new trend, could be making a new uptrend. So as you can see on the 4 hour, we closed just above this level. So it gives an indication that price is going to continue off in that way. But instead of like a normal breakout strategy where you enter when it closes above and you get fucked because it comes right back down, like you wait and just let the market play out. And some people, so like the way he trades, he will often wait for price to come back up. This is that trades by side, not Max. We'll wait for price to come back up, and then when price goes above that level again, that's when they'll enter, stops below there, and target nice high levels. But what I prefer to do from his strategy, which is also another method of his, like I would try and get maybe these wicks. I probably would have entered from here. Look at this, really. We've got this level. All these closes, this wick, these wicks, this wick. So you can wait for price to come back down, getting buys at the level. Stops can be nice and wide below the low. I know it looks ridiculous, having nearly 100 pip stop loss. You could maybe have put it behind the close. Is there anything if you drop to the 1 hour that makes it? No, not really. And then yeah, targeting the high here for 1 to 2. But realistically, if gold's going to get back up, you could probably start targeting here 1 to 3. We usually target to 1 to 4, I think. And it's a very easy way to predict which way the market's going to go. It doesn't always work, but again, like it's done it again here. We had this level, clear structure level, price come down, retested, come down, made this possible higher low. Price has come back up. It's come down into this level. Now, if we get onto the 1 hour, it's come down perfectly into this level here, pinned and fucked off. Like it doesn't always work, but if you just keep watching it and just keep trying to read the market that way, it's not necessarily how I enter all my trades, but it helps me build a bias of whether we're going to go up or down. But again, appreciate everybody coming on. I'm gonna go and smoke a few bongs, watch some Eastbound and Down. If anybody's not watched Eastbound and Down, get it on. You won't regret it. But yeah, anyone who's in the group, live stream tomorrow again around 2. We'll watch some more of Max's Market Wisdom. Anyone who is on Fusion, if they want to tell them to sign up to my IB code, awesome. Appreciate the thank you. Have a good night. Safe trading. Anyway, I'd avoid trading now if you're on our time anyway, guys. Go to bed, enjoy yourselves, do whatever. And then we'll be back at it again in the morning. Sweet as. Stop streaming. Peace out.